So, good day mga kawander. My name is Tamontok from Bachelor of Science in Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering. So, welcome back to Fluid Mechanics and we are in Chapter 5. So, this problem came from the book Gelisania 5-28. So, the problem is a horizontal pipe reduces from 300 millimeter diameter section to 150 millimeter diameter section. The pressure at 300 millimeter section is 200 kilopascal and at 150 millimeter section is 80 kilopascal. If the flow rate is 20 liters per second of water, compute the head loss between the two sections. So here, we are asked to find the head loss. Since we are asked to find the head loss, we will confirm first that what's Q that going inside is also equals to what's going outside here. So we have the equation which is Q1 is equals to Q2. And our given Q here is the 20 liter per second. So now we are dealing with meter, or this is a volume, so we will convert it into cubic meter. So we will have the 0.020 cubic meter per second. So this equation Q1 is equals to Q2 is also equals to E1, energy 1, minus the head loss is equals to energy 2. So we will proceed by the real formula. So the formula that we will going to use here is this one, which is velocity 1 squared over 2 times the gravity plus the pressure 1 over the rho plus the elevation, or the Z1, minus the head loss is equals to velocity 2 squared over 2 times the gravity plus the pressure 2 over rho plus the elevation, or the Z2. So here at the figure, we don't see any elevation at this problem. So this elevation will also equals to 0. So that's why here we can see that the elevation, or the Z, is cancelled because it is equals to 0. Now, as I remember from what Sir Ben Mamalos tell, this equation is also equals to this 1. So we will put this equation into here. So now we will input this equation into formula. So we see 8 times the 0.20 cubic meter squared over the pi squared times the gravity, which is 9.81 times 0.3, which is the diameter, to the power of 4 times the pressure 1, which is equals to 200 kilopascals over 9.81, the gravity, acceleration due to gravity, minus the head loss, is equals to 8 times this 0.02 to the power of, I'm so sorry, that is 2. It is 2, that is 2 po. The power of 2 all over pi squared times the 9.81 times the 0.3 to the power of 4 plus the pressure 2 over the rho, which is 80 over 9.81. So if you calculate here, if you put everything here in calculator, you will get the answer of head loss. And since we were dealing at head loss, we will put the unit meter. So that is it on how to get the